This European capital is famous for its canals, tulips, and vibrant culture. Which city is it?
Amsterdam, Den Haag, Utrecht, Vlissingen. De correcte answer is Amsterdam.
In the Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies cartoons, what is the name of the tuxedo cat? Tom, Felix, Garfield, Sylvester. The correct answer is Sylvester. In which country was Cadbury chocolate originally founded? Switzerland, Belgium, United Kingdom, France. The correct answer is United Kingdom. Semanophobia is the irrational fear of which costume-heavy autumn holiday? Thanksgiving, Halloween, Mardi Gras, Carnival. The correct answer is Halloween. The boat named Olive belongs to which famous cartoon sailor? Captain Hook, Popeye, Sinbad, Jack Sparrow. The correct answer is Popeye. Women's shoes with short, slender heels are called what? Wedges, stilettos, kitten heels, platforms. The correct answer is kitten heels. In 1980, the World Health Organization declared that what devastating disease had been completely wiped out? Polio, smallpox, measles, tuberculosis. The correct answer is smallpox. What is the medical term for an unusually fast heartbeat? Arrhythmia, tachycardia, hypertension, bradycardia. The correct answer is tachycardia. What was the name of the dangerous open land between enemy trenches in World War I? Dead ground, no man's land, battle strip, grey zone. The correct answer is no man's land. Who won the Oscar for Best Supporting Actor for playing Louis Strauss in Oppenheimer? Matt Damon, Cillian Murphy, Robert Downey Jr., Tom Conti. The correct answer is Robert Downey Jr. Brownell is the middle name of which prominent women's rights activist? Susan Beale Anthony, Sojourner Truth, Elizabeth Cady Stanton, Alice Paul. The correct answer is Susan Beale Anthony. In which country would you find the region of Normandy? Germany, Belgium, France, Italy. The correct answer is France. A positively charged ion is known as what? Proton, neutron, cation, anion. The correct answer is cation. Cortisol belongs to which category of hormones? Growth hormone, mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, thyroid hormone. The correct answer is glucocorticoid. What are the smallest blood vessels in the body? Veins, arteries, capillaries, venules. The correct answer is capillaries.